Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I appreciate your support so very much. Today I have a very quick video for you. I did some phone sockets and I thought I would share them with you in case you were looking to do something like this. This is a great present for yourself or a nice little present for somebody else, and it's very quick and very easy. So the ones you're going to see today are done with UV resin, but just so you know, I have also done these with the regular epoxy resin. The difference is with the epoxy, I did allow it to sit for 10 minutes and I brushed it on with a paintbrush so that it was a nice coating, but it kept it from dripping. So I did these two of them I did with glitter, and I used my Cricut to cut out a decal of, I did my initial and then I did my daughter's initial, and the other one is my adorable, sweet, amazing little grandson. I printed that on print then cut vinyl using my Cricut. You can of course use a photograph. You can even use a printed picture. If you're using a photograph or a printed picture, cover it with Mod Podge first. That will protect it and keep you from getting those oily looking spots underneath. I hope that this was able to give you some inspiration and maybe something that you would like to do. I know I haven't had many videos out lately. I have been so busy with work and I'm sorry for that. However, I am working on a couple tumblers and I have some super fun molds and I have some really cute wood and epoxy pendants that I'm working on, and I hope to be able to share several fun things with you guys this weekend. So I hope that you have a beautiful rest of the day and a blessed and safe weekend. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. There wasn't really any explaining to do other than watching the video. And yeah, if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. Thank you again, friends. Bye. Oh, also, I did forget to tell you, I got these phone sockets from Chimp. They sell them for 55 cents a piece. I know there are a lot of places that sell them. I haven't found them any less expensive than that, and they came quickly.